Hey guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll discuss in detail about this CODP. So if you have interest in social work and wanna pursue the CODP, the community organization and development practices, why it is so necessary, guys, watch this video till the end because we'll talk in detail about the eligibility criteria, cutoff to enter into the particular campus and to pursue this particular course, program details, seat availability, fee structure, campuses which offers this particular program, and the most important one, the placement. So guys, watch this video till the end. And before moving further, guys, we have launched the batches for all MBA entrance exams, so you can prepare with us for CAT, for MBA CET, for CMAT, TISS, NMAT, SNAP, IFT, and various entrance exams are there. So if you want a preparation for 2021, 22 and 23, guys, you can interact live with us. So in live interaction, you will get the live classes, you will receive the books at your doorstep, you will learn very shortcut tricks, because guys, with respect to entrance exams, then it is quite necessary you should learn all the shortcut tricks and you should have that much speed to solve each particular questions, because in entrance exams you have to win the race with respect to the time. Okay, you have to attempt the number of questions in lesser time. So thereafter all doubts will be solved into the live lectures. You will get access for the recorded videos, topic test, full length mock test. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So lot of data for the practice purpose, and you will also get the mentorship. So guys, what are you waiting for? Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manualdu.com/MBA entrance. So let's move to the main topic and tell me why there is a need of development. Okay, so let's take an example. Guys, this is a weighing balance. Okay, if I will put weight here, this will go upwards, right? So ये vice and versa actions तो है ही, but in certain area if the development कहीं हो रहा है एक particular area में, then in the reflex action it also affects lot of population. Okay, even development चाहे कितना भी हो guys. Okay, in today's world, as development initiates have caused huge amount of displacement and disposition, and it leads to the generate more marginalized community. So wherever there is a development होता है वहाँ there is a huge amount of displacement and the disposition. So 75% of the total population lives in rural area, as this particular thing I also discuss in the rural development program. So guys, you can watch that video too now. And basically their livelihoods depends on the farm and non-farming things, right? So rural area and the urban India, and more populations are moving towards to the urban, so leading to the urbanization. Okay, and this particular thing we also discuss in our urbanization video. So guys, with respect to each particular program I make the video, so go to that particular video and don't forget to read all the info whichever provided on the official website. Okay, now why there is need of CODP? So community organization is one of the primary methods of the social work. Why? We'll discuss later. Here I mentioned the picture of the marginalized community, and why marginalized community is nothing but, okay, moving separate from this particular margin. Okay, now all these ones are getting lack of education, lack of resources, lack of land. Okay, so let's take an example. In this modern world, when there is a huge development across the globes, but still there are some issues which are yet unsolved. So development should be for everyone, and everyone needs the development, right guys? Even it's a rural area, even it is an urban area, and even it is an suburban area, but still there is a drastic increase in the marginalized community. And why? And these all are having the poor skills, the lack of facilities, the lack of disposed land, the lack of quality education, and the lack of all other resources. So now tell me in the comment box which are the marginalized community in India right now. Okay guys, this is the question for you. So to increase in this particular marginalized community, it is very necessary to work on multiple perspectives to analyze it. So that's why the CODP is came to the existence. Now, let's talk about the CODP, the history part, as it is the flagship program offered by the TISS, because TISS established in 1936, and since it is offering the various programs in social work. So, around 9 different programs from the 8 different centers. The TISS Mumbai offers various programs now, and CODP is one of its kind of program in India. So very first one, the center began as the Department of Rural Welfare and known as the Urban Community Organization and the Development, the UCOD. Okay, and thereafter in 1967 the UCOD renamed as URCD, and it is the Urban Rural Community Development. So development should be in the urban area, and same there is a requirement for the development in the rural area also to decrease the marginalized community. So that's why everyone should need the development. And thereafter in 2006 the newly formulated program, the CODP, Community Organization and Development Practices, comes to the existence. Now it is with respect to the community organization, and what exactly it means. The community organization is a process by which a community identifies the needs and the objectives, it takes the actions, and through this complete process it develops the cooperative and the collaborative attitudes and practices within a community. So it is one of the primary method of the social work. This is nothing but the CODP, the Community Organizational Development and the Practice. So what it does, it deals with the intervention in the communities to solve the community problems, and so it can solve the problems of many people in the community through their collective involvement. Right guys? So community development with respect to the community organization. Now it is about the CODP. Now let's move to the all the criteria. So very first one, it is the eligibility criteria. So with respect to the qualification, what it says, the candidate must be graduated from any recognized university with any stream. So कोई भी डिग्री हो आपके पास, either 3 years degree or the 4 years degree. Okay, either you are from arts or from commerce or from the science background. Okay, whatever degree you have, you are eligible to do the social work. Second one, the candidates who are appearing for the final examination of their bachelor degree are also eligible to apply. So you can select the appearing and you can choose your respective programs and you can give the testnet exam. Now guys, with respect to the testnet exam paper pattern, we already discussed in our previous video. So right now we will not discuss about the testnet, but yes, we will discuss about the cutoff, how much marks you should score out of 100 to pursue the CODP from its respective camp. So you have to score around 57 to 59 out of 100 marks. Okay guys, so this is about the cutoff. Now we'll talk about the program details. So these all are the program details. Now campus, you can pursue this particular course from the Mumbai campus and also from the Guwahati campus. Okay, the School of Social Work will offer these particular programs. Seat availability, then Mumbai campus has 34 seat intake while Guwahati has only 15 seats. Duration of course obviously 2 years, number of semesters 4, and the internship, the field internship or the field work, that it has a very rigorous field internship. Now throughout 2 years, or even we can say that in all semesters you have a internship. Okay, so you will be exposed to the various departments, either it may be the government department or the non-government department, NGOs or various private sectors or the public sectors. Okay, so you will be exposed to the various departments, and now here you will learn various things. So whatever you learn in the class, okay, you will earn more benefits by doing the field work. Yes, and it also include the research dissertation. Okay guys, so these all are the program details. Now in the first year and the second year you will learn all these things. Okay, you will get the complete understanding about your society, culture and change. Okay, now here you will also learn about yourself and the society. So if you will learn about yourself, then you will be learn what are the changes are necessary in the society. You will learn about the history and ideology of the social work, the methods of the social work. You will learn about the development, how it should be created. You will learn about the social action, advocacy and the movements. Now these are the key points, the advocacy and the movements. You can also make your career in the advocacy, policy making and various movements. You will learn about the urbanization, governance and informal work. And you will also learn about the law, society and development. So guys, overall this is about everything, about the law, urbanization, rural development, governance, everything. So आप यही समझ के चलो कि social work, if you are pursuing social work in CODP, then that means ये program 5 प्रोग्राम के बराबर है. लाइक यू आर लर्निंग गवर्नेंस है, लॉ एंड राइट्स है, you are learning about the urbanization here, rural development here, everything. Okay guys, now let's talk about the campuses which offer this particular course. So guys, now we'll talk about the campuses. So very first one, the Mumbai campus, it offers the CODP program under the School of the Social Work, and same with respect to the Guwahati campus under the School of Social Work. Okay guys, Mumbai campus has 34 seat intake while the Guwahati campus has 15 seat intake. With respect to the Mumbai campus, that it is the flagship program started in 1936 as the school started guys. काफी अच्छे नाम थे. In 1955, in 1967 and in 2006 it becomes the CODP program. Now let's talk about the fee structure and the placement guys. So if you are in TISS, that means you are well aware about that. It has very nominate fee structure. So with respect to the academic only, then 1.09 lakh for the Mumbai campus, and it is for 2 years guys. Look at the fee structure. And with respect to the Guwahati campus, it is 1,05,000 only. With respect to both years, the 2 years program. Okay guys, so let's see the fee structure. और वही अगर आप placement packages को देखेंगे, then look at the placement figures guys. This will gives you the best return on the investment. ऐसा कोई कॉलेज नहीं जो आपको इतनी अच्छी ROI दे सके guys. Now with respect to the hostel fees, for all 2 years, it has 1,24,000 only. Okay, 1.24 lakh. So even we consider the fee structure or the hostel fees, and if we compare the placement packages, the highest package you have here, you will get 8 to 9 lakh per annum ka package. Thereafter median stand at 4.5 lakh per annum and lowest 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum ka package. So guys, don't see these all figures. Here your career with respect to this particular course, your career became immense. So काफी अच्छी ग्रोथ मिलने वाली है in future with respect to this particular program, because you are doing this social work, and social work with respect to all the non-governmental organizations, government organization, various schemes, movements, advocacy, policies, and various there. So let's talk about the career scope and the growth. So you can work in all these departments, the rural or urban settings. You can work in government organization, government development organization, non-government development organizations, government projects, people's organization and the movements, as I said, trade unions, in a corporate social responsibility initiatives, rural infrastructure support programs, agri-businesses, rural planning and governance, rural entrepreneurship. You can start your own startups, and in the policy practice and the advocacy. Okay guys, so these all are the key features in policy practice and advocacy. You can make your career also. Now with respect to the internship, then guys, as I said, in each semester you have of field work. Okay, you will be exposed to the various departments, even in the NGOs, to learn all those things which you have learned in your class, and where you can apply same in this particular departments. So in the internship you will be exposed to the UNICEF. You can work under NABARD, Reliance Foundation, Niti Aayog, various research organization, Oxfam India, Paradigm, WBSRL, K India, SEEDS Impact, BEF Foundation, Aga Khan Foundation, government sectors, and various NGOs. So guys, here career growth is immense. You will file the elevated graph here with respect to your career growth. So guys, if you have keen interest to do the social work, you want to create that necessary change in your society, and you have that capacity guys, if you want to become a leader in all these particular departments guys, CODP is the right course for you. And you will not find this particular course and this particular ROI and the placement packages in any other institutes. If you talk about the top recruiters, then guys, these all are the top recruiters which takes part in the recruitment process every year. Although the official website doesn't disclose any placement packages, but yes, these all are on the research basis guys. Now if you want to make your career in all these unique courses, you have to crack the testnet for that. So let's prepare for the testnet. And for all selection criteria conducted by the TISS guys, let's contact on 882-858-1455, or you can also call on all these respective numbers. You can also visit our website themanuedu.com for all exam updates and the notifications. You can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description, kindly check those links, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Manu Test Entrance, because you will get only test specific video on this particular channel. So that's it from the today's video guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.